Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Moditt. I am going to give you a rundown of your grading options for this semester. They have changed a little bit with some of the new mandates and things put out by the governor and DMAC. May 1st is your first deadline. I really want to emphasize that I want you to stay in the class. I don't want you to leave. If you do the work, you will pass, I promise. But May 1st is the deadline if you wanted to drop either just the DMAC portion of the class and take it for Valley credit, or if you want to drop the entire child development course in general, DMAC and Valley, has to be done by May 1st. Once again, please stay in the class. If you just do the work, the 5 assignments, you will pass, I promise. All of my projects are due on May 8th. That gives me time to grade them so you have a good idea of where you are grade-wise. If you need to make anything up, if you need to change anything, edit anything, you can do that, and that gives you plenty of time. Here are the 5 assignments: essential training, theorist presentation, and video, baby day, toddler day activity, milestone project, and toys that teach. The last 2 will go out this week, so you'll have plenty of time. Yay, there's no final this year. DMAC decided that unless that DMAC course is under evaluation through DMAC, they don't have to give a final. So first time ever for this class, I've not had to give a final. That's awesome for you. So really just the 5 projects is really going to determine the best part of your grade. Here are your options. These are the options for all DMAC classes. The first one and the default is going to be your letter grade. Whatever it is, after I grade your 5 projects, you can choose to keep that letter grade. It goes towards your GPA. It transfers to universities, colleges, that letter grade. The second option is to choose a pass, meaning you have a 70% or higher, and you just get a P on your transcript. It does not affect your GPA, and most colleges and universities will accept that pass. The last option is to choose a no mark, meaning you have below a 70%, which DMAC considers failing, but they are going to do a no mark this semester, and it will not affect your GPA at Valley or at DMAC. But please note, some universities will take that no mark as an F. University of Iowa has already stated they will transfer it as an F. Okay, do the work. You will pass, okay? On May 11th, I will send you a Canvas quiz. There will be one question. Which of the 3 options do you want? If you answer A, B, or C, I will take that and I will transfer that into your grade. If you do not answer the quiz, it will default to option A, which is your letter grade, okay? On May 11th, all projects will have been turned in and I will have them all graded. So you will know on May 11th what your final grade will be so you can make the best decision, A, B, or C. I cannot emphasize enough. Do not email me today, tomorrow, anytime between now and May 11th and say, I want option B. I want it all in one place on Canvas quiz so that I don't miss somebody's email and then default to a letter grade when you really wanted a pass or a no mark. So do not email me. Let the Canvas quiz do the collection for me so I have it all, everybody's answer all in one spot. Okay? Hopefully that clears up grading. If you have any questions about grading, please don't hesitate to email me. I hope you're all staying safe and have a great day.